Sulcata Grove, and today we are going to be taste testing this IO mango. I don't know anything about IO. It looks very much like a Pope Ukulele, a lemon meringue mango in far as shape and color. I'm assuming it's related somehow, and hopefully it tastes a lot like it because that's my favorite mango. So let's see how. Smells a little bit like it, so I'm pretty sure this is a offshoot of PPK. I'm sure that's one of the parents of this one.
But we're guessing.
I'm pretty sure. Absolutely sure. Tastes a lot like PPK. So maybe this has, all right, to compare this to lemon meringue, it's very sweet, very similar. It's probably maybe a little more tart to it.
I think it's more limey.
Limey?
Than lemon meringue, which I really like the flavor of lime.
It's very good. I'm wondering if it doesn't have some other advantages over the PPK as far as production or disease resistance. Maybe I don't know enough about this to even venture a guess. But if it does,
I'd plant one of those in a second.
That's absolutely, to me, this would be a very good either substitute or replacement for PPK if there was some reason you couldn't grow PPK or didn't like something about it.
This is really good.
This is excellent. This is
the one downside I have with this was that there is a bit of a chalkiness.
It does have. I love.
So the thing
flavor,
is, some people don't like the chalkiness, and some people.
For me, I don't.
I like a little bit of chalky. I don't like a really chalky one, but this has got no. There's nothing bad to say about this one except that we only have one of them.
I know. Now I really want a tree of this.
Yeah, I would plant this in a heartbeat.
Yeah.
Oh, go grab me a PPK. We'll do it side by side.
Okay.
I was just thinking if we only had a PPK to do a side, but we do because I just picked some.
At one end, there's a little bit of tartness, which is really nice. This one seems to be the softest.
All right, let's do a side by side. So first of all, IO is larger than this, at least than this PPK. This is a little bit of a smaller PPK anyway. Okay, first of all, let's see this. So the PPK is definitely sweeter. It's much more candy-like. It's it's smoother. Its texture is smoother, more melting. It's sweeter. The IO definitely has side-by-side PPKs better.
But I kind of like that.
I like that. No, it's good. It's definitely good.
I know.
This is my favorite mango, so there's definitely some bias to this probably, but they're not the same. They are similar. They definitely are. There's some shared parentage here, but I've got a sweet tooth.
Yeah.
So for me, I've got to give it to the PPK.
I like them both though. I kind of like.
It's like a piece of candy, where this is like a good piece of fruit. It's like a good piece of candy.
True.
But both are good. I would plant both. I'd have a tree of both of them.
I got one end of this that has some resinous.
Yeah, see, this has got a little bit more complexity. The IO's got a little more complexity.
For sure.
It's got a little more tartness. Got a little more chalkiness. And so in some ways that would make it better, except that it's up against PPK. And I love this mango. It's like candy. It's like candy.
I know.
It's like a.
But if you didn't do a set, that's good. We could do a side by
Yeah.
side.
I wanted to compare it because but both of these are like 10s. But I'm gonna prefer the PPK, but I can certainly see how someone would prefer the IO.
I want both.
You know, last piece of IO there.
Yeah.
So, IO top tier mango.
A+ for its complexity.
Would eat again. In some ways, it may be superior to the PPK, but the PPK is so candy-like. You didn't want this seed, did you?
Too late now.
You want that seed?
You're so
I'm making a mess. Anyway, so IO's excellent. I give it a 10.
I do.
I'd give it, I'd make it it'd be a top tier
9.5 or 10.
9.5. I'd be a 10, except that I ate it right next to the PPK. So
Well, I'm just thinking of Alan Parvanishane.
Yeah.
Or the one called Alan Parvanishane here in Florida.
so anyway, excellent mango. IO, definitely try it. But
Get a bunch.
get a bunch. Yeah, don't stop at one because this is very good mango. So anyway, I'm gonna go wash my hands. I'm making an absolute mess of myself here. Very sticky, but thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Tried to sell the mango there. If I do not sell it, then take it back and try again. Everybody now come